I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my California Wildflowers seed pack. So I love California golden poppies. It's my favorite flower, and you see them sprout naturally all over the Bay Area and really all over California in general. So I thought this would be really awesome. This is a collection of 24 different wildflowers, California wildflowers, including the golden poppy. There's a list on the back here. You can see all the different ones that are in this mix. Poppies front and center. We've got larkspurs, we've got snapdragons, we've got all kinds of different wildflowers that you would see in California. And there's actually 54,000 seeds in each of these packages. So there's quite a lot of wildflower growing potential here. And I'm hoping to seed these on the hill outside of my house, and hopefully we'll end up with some nice blooms there. So the nice thing with wildflowers is that it's pretty easy to plant them. Obviously, they're normally something that grows wild. So really to plant these, it's a pretty simple process. We're just going to basically sort of scatter them around, and there's an inert material that's included in there to make it easier. Even 54,000 seeds wouldn't fill this whole package, so it's got some other material in there, and you can just sort of spread them either with a hand spreader or with a machine spreader. I'm going to do it by hand. I'm just going to spread this all over my hillside, and take a look at that. And hopefully, they say you should rake these in a little bit. It's really only about a ½ inch at the most, because again, most of the time these seeds just sit on the surface and get naturally kind of pushed under the soil. So we'll spread these around, rake them in a bit, and then see how things go over time. Let's go ahead and plant these. Here's what the seeds look like in there. And we've got our planting instructions, again covering that basic process. And you can do this either in the spring or the fall. It's fall right now. It says to plant when there's ample rainfall and also when anticipated warm weather has passed. Sadly, that's the case now in California. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. So here's my hill, lots of good sunshine, and I'm just going to broadcast these seeds around. Good kind of distribution. It says this will cover about 350 square feet. So pretty good coverage, my whole hillside here. So I broadcast the whole bag there. I'll cover this whole surface, so pretty good coverage again. And I can go ahead and rake these in. And then hopefully I'll end up with a beautiful hillside of wildflowers, especially as the rains intensify here in California.